guys, and welcome to another video. So yes, we're still in quarantine, so I figured I would do another what I eat in a day. So I just made some iced coffee. It's just the, here, I'll show you guys. It's the Starbucks vanilla latte. This guy. And some creamer. And I'm about to make some, I think it's pronounced sharushka. It's an egg dish thing with some chicken apple sausage. So that is what I am having for breakfast. So I'm gonna make that, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
She spends her winter time inside the house with us.
Alright, you guys, so it is a little bit later in the day and I'm about to eat my lunch. I'm just having some leftovers from dinner last night. We had turkey, meatloaf, and mashed potatoes. So that is gonna be my lunch. Alright, you guys, so for dinner I am making garlic and herb butter with garlic seasoning, some broccoli for me, and some green peppers for Adam, and then this pasta. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday, and today we are working on our backyard. We're gonna expand my garden a little bit, and I'm gonna move some stuff around for my agility course, and just have a lovely Saturday at home. So let's go ahead and get started with this project.
From a small town to a big city, come alive, so live, do I got it in me? Let me take this moment, man, what's good? To the only couple day ones still with me. Same dream that I had way back then. I know that the money coming too slow, and I hate that we always gotta pretend that I take you to places we never go. I know it's real, I know it's real. Kick game, run game like a night there. I heard life is no chill. Goes round, comes round like a Ferris wheel. I sacrificed a lot of soul to hate myself, but now I got the keys and you just played yourself. I'm so high up, I'm so high. 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 So high up, I'm so high. I'm so high up, I'm so high. I'm so high up, I'm so high. They won't ever, 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 ever bring me down, bring me down. It feels like heaven, 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 heavens beneath me now, beneath me now. 'Cause they won't never, ever, ever, ever bring me down, bring me down. It feels like heaven, 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 heavens beneath me now, beneath me now.
Come alive from the city of dreams, and everybody wanna hit like the city of fiends. And me and KOZ are out rapping over this cool stuff. Maybe that can take us straight on to the tour bus. Whoa, maybe that's a little too strong, but there's a certain type of level I just need to be on. Yeah, I know, mama, I ain't never really been home, but we all been broke for a little too long. So I threw it all away to move up to the city. The beat machine, the only flipping thing I had with me. Hey, cuz we forgot to really tell them about that part. Gon' realize we not just some rappers. Yeah, we produce, we sing, yeah, we smoke, we drink. I'm supposed to stop, I can't. I'm just trying to get diamonds forever. Whoa, you really mean ever? Ever?
I'm so high up, I'm so high. I'm
this is the finished product, you guys. It turned out so good. I love it. I'm so excited.